Let's get started. We've got an email query that's coming from Nitish. Now, Nitish writes from Bangalore and he says that he's not received the occupancy certificate from the builder even after 7 years. He's approached the builder multiple times, of course, in all these years and has lately learned that the builder did not apply for one till date. Now, he wants to know what is the legal route available to pursue further to get the OC and subsequently apply for the A-Khata. He wants to sell the property but is unable to do so because he doesn't have the OC as of now. What do you say, Nirav?
So, depending on where the property is situated, the occupation certificate is being issued by the concerned authority in that particular local authority that sanctions a plan for the purpose of construction of the building. Now, it is duty bound and the builder is duty bound to provide you with the occupation certificate. So, option one is that you can enforce that particular clause or enforce that obligation of the builder and take him to court and ask him to get you the occupation certificate. Generally, the occupation certificate is a little difficult to obtain by a normal customer stroke purchaser of flat, because not only they look at whether the building has been constructed as per the sanctioned plan, but there are various other technicalities that they look at with respect to payment of premium, with respect to open space, with respect to FSI consumption, with respect to TDR, etc., etc. So it can get a little hyper technical for a normal customer, but in the event the developer does not provide you with an occupation certificate, alternatively you can also independently approach the Municipal Corporation or the concerned authority and ask them to come and survey the property, follow the process and issue the occupation certificate.
So, if you're approaching the Municipal Corporation over here, which department in the Municipal Corporation essentially do you approach? Do you go to the Building Plans Department?
Correct. So, the Building Plans Department is the one that sanctions a building, and correspondingly you will go to the Chief Engineer and the concerned person who is assigned for the sanction of this particular building.
Right. But also, like you said, you can, of course, follow legal proceedings. You can take the developer to court. What can you essentially seek apart from the fact that you want the occupation certificate? There has been a 7-year delay.
So, technically, especially in Bombay, as per the Municipal Corporation, you are not entitled legally to occupy the flat. So, that is a violation by itself. However, I don't know whether there is a provision for compensation, whether there has been some sort of a damage caused to you, or you have incurred any damage for non-availability of the occupation certificate, then probably you can claim that also from the builder, should he have failed in complying with his obligations under the agreement.
Right. And like Nirav said, it is very, very important that you get the OC before you enter the flat. The reason being, like he also pointed out earlier, the OC is not just a piece of paper that the Municipal Corporation is giving you. It is essentially a certificate that the building is habitable, that it is safe, that you can go and live over there. The Municipal Corporation over here gives it to you after it checks everything, including the fire safety, the lifts, it is also a certification, in fact, that the necessary utilities, your water, electricity, sewage, all of these connections are present, which is what makes the building essentially habitable, and that is why the occupation certificate is so essential.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.